Welcome to Lily English. Learn today, speak tomorrow, shine forever. I am waking up. I am washing my face. I am brushing my teeth. I am washing the dishes. I am cutting vegetables. I am cleaning the floor. I am cleaning the table. I am open the fridge. I am watching the TV. I am washing my hands. I am cooking dinner. I am making my bed. I am reading a book. I am writing my homework. I am drinking water. I am eating breakfast. I am listening to music. I am putting on my shoes. I am watering the plants. I am folding the clothes. I am hanging the clothes. I am ironing my clothes. I am cutting an onion. I am opening the window. I am closing the window. I am closing the curtains. I am opening the curtains. I am opening the door. I am closing the door. I am playing the guitar.